In the last lecture, we have used how we can use a Vlookup function with approximate match approach. In this lecture, we'll be working on the exact match type. We have two tables in this worksheet. We have the Atlanta city temperature data and this lookup table with precipitation and type of weather it brings. We are going to find the weather type in Atlanta city by comparing this predefined weather category. We'll use a Vlookup function to find this. Let's enter this formula here in H2 is equal to Vlookup. The lookup value will be the precipitation amount in column G, and select that cell, that's a column, and comma. The table array will be this table from J to K. Select the two column, and the column number will be 2. Starting from left to right, it will be 2. That is it is K. Sets, comma, and the match type will be the exact match. So select it and close the brace. Here we get the result. To copy it down, we have to make the table array absolute reference. So double click to get that formula. Double click and we'll be able to make it absolute reference. Press F4 to make it absolute. Now we make it absolute. Now we can drag it down. So now we have all this data, the exact match from the precipitation table.